Namaste everyone. There is a tradition of Maharani, Raja, Rani, and Dasi in a mahal. I saw in old TV serials and movies. I observed many times in Mahabharat. Sometime I felt females are the thing of entertainment from ancient time. इंद्र सभा में भी नर्तकी मनोरंजन के लिए नृत्य करती थीं. There are various kinds of females. Some are like Apsara, some are like Sita, some are like Rani Lakshmibai, and many more. Gradually, I have observed that females are also responsible for their status. They have degraded their level themselves. Dasi is like a sandwich between the Maharani and Rani. Dasis are of also various kind. They like gossip, they like to listen matter of others. I saw in Mahabharat that Gandhari had sent a Dasi to the trust room. In recent time, there is a Saas, Bahu, and Nokrani. There is a triangle, and males are in between. Nokrani has also many dreams to be like a Rani. Everyone has a right to see dream. Bahu is working, then there is a very good friendship between Saas and Nokrani. When Bahu come in evening, then Nokrani give report to Bahu. Outside the house, Nokrani is the best friend of neighbor. They report what is going in this and that house. Nokrani group do meeting. They have also a philosophy that others are giving less money. Nowadays they are saying others are giving sari, other things and more money than you. If you expect good work from them, then you can't. They will recommend others. Please call someone else. It's really very tricky environment around us nowadays. सबकी खुशी का रास्ता पेट से होके जाता है. Nokranis are really good, faithful like a dog. Dog is a very faithful animal. मालिक से वफादारी करता है. कहते हैं कि जिसका नमक खाया जाता है उसका वफादार होना चाहिए. In nuclear families, servant and maids are taking advantages. Men and women are complementary. Maids are interested in Malik and servants are interested in Malkin. You should be like Maharani or Rani in appearance. Otherwise, Nokrani will think you are other Nokrani in the house. There are various issues actually nowadays. Nokrani are more fashionable and advanced actually. Some Nokranis are even don't know how to work. Females teach them that she will take care of house in your absence during working hour. Gradually, Nokrani becomes smart in working. Then she is interested to become a Rani. Insecurity or make jealous others is a very good phenomena. If you are able to make other insecure, then it will work. My message is only that we should do good work, expect good amount of work from others, and also train or teach others to do good work. Nowadays environment is such like that you are really helpless. If you will show bravery, then you have to lose or sacrifice something. Thank you very much.